Hey y'all, Miss Terry here, Oldesouth Farm. Good to see ya. Today we're going to be looking at corn, and I'm going to show you how I do corn. And this is sweet corn. I also have some field corn going, and we'll get into that too. You can see how tall this is. I'm 5'9". It's pretty tall for sweet corn, but look at these ears. This thing is loaded. With ears of corn. Isn't that beautiful? And that one too in the back. You can see the squash at the bottom. You can see the beans growing up the stalk. And there's two groups here. And we got some nice ears on this as well. Isn't it yummy? Look at it. See, this one's ready. Twist it. There, you've got it. Did I tell you it was hot? Did I tell you it was hot? Yeah. Woo. Welcome to Sweet Home, Alabama. You betcha. It is hot. Humid. Oh my gosh, it's so humid. You have no idea. You have to experience it. That's all I can say. You just have to experience it. But we keep chugging along even though it's hot and humid. Hey, if you like our channel, give us a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and you're good to go. Hit the little bell, and it's all good.